Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another banger video, guys. As you can see by the title, today we will be going over Pionex exchange and we will be covering grid trading bots, which is something that actually can be really profitable if executed well. So that's the case of today's video, guys. Before we start with it, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So Pionex is a leading copy bot platform in the world. They are like the most well-known platform when it comes to all the trading bot stuff, and they've been actually pioneering, which is kind of cool because it suits the name as well. They've been pioneering a lot when it comes to all of these trading bot solutions, copy trading solutions, etc. So as you can see, they have over 10 million daily trades, over 60 billion monthly trading volume, and they've been around for over 5 years and over 5 million global users. So this is pretty great. Constantly listing new things. And well, they call themselves the global leading platform in futures grid trading. So I will cover futures grid trading in today's video, how to get started with it, and I'm able to do it thanks to Pionex team. So big shout out to them. Thank you guys so much for letting me showing this to my viewers. And obviously, guys, I will be also long term working with Pionex on making more videos, also showing my personal results from using those grid futures trading. Okay, so I hope that you will stick till the end, and I hope that you'll also be waiting for next videos, because there will be some cool content to show you guys. So that's what I'm hoping that you will do. Okay. So obviously they have very high APRs when it comes to all of that. You can copy different people's strategies, and we will talk about the strategies, how to adjust them, how it works, etc. There is also a lot of influencers talking about them, which is cool, because that's how you can also learn more about Pionex and see that many major people in crypto industry are really happy with them, and they also attend many events, which you can also go ahead and check out, guys. So yeah, they also have their mobile app, obviously, but today we'll focus on the PC version. By the way, the layout is very user-friendly, so it's a cool exchange also for newbies. But yeah, first things first, they are fully licensed. That's what's most important when it comes to exchanges. As you can see, you can check out all the licenses where they are fully legal. You can verify all of the numbers if you want, so that's all available directly on their website. Just wanted to point this out before we move any further. And also, guys, their exchange ranks around 30 to 40 mark when it comes to CoinMarketCap. This is mainly because they haven't really spent much on ranking promotions. However, in terms of like overall trading volume and asset value, as you guys can see, they could easily rank approximately between 10 to 15 mark. So this is pretty good. And they are also having better data than some of those top 20 exchanges. So that's also really nice. So I know that a lot of you look at this when you are choosing your exchange, but honestly, this is not really always that important. Okay, like obviously maybe I wouldn't go for something that is top 100, but they are really marked high and they could be easily higher, but they are not paying for something that they don't need, which is fair play if you ask me. So as you can see, they've been launched in 2019, and yeah, that also speaks volumes. They've been around for a while already. So when we are on the platform, guys, you can go ahead. They already tell you to go create your bot with this button. You can create your trading bots for spot, for futures, and they also have demo trading, which is cool because you don't have any risks. So if you want to learn how to trade, then you can also go ahead and utilize the demo trading. So obviously there will be a link to Pionex down below in the description of this video, guys. So I have this balance, and I have some bots open to show you how they work, how to realize profits, how to adjust the grids, what the bot does, and all of that. Okay, so that's what we are focusing on mainly today. So while I pull up the chart for you, before we get any further, I also want to tell you why Pionex is better, simply. Okay, so first of all, guys, Pionex is known for its free built-in 16 trading bots, which set it apart from other exchanges. A grid bot boosts trading volume and commissions 5 to 10x by executing 24/7 high-frequency trades, outperforming manual trading. And also, obviously, the trust and regulation, they are registered as an MSB under FinCEN in the US, so it is basically ensuring the legal credibility. So yeah, you have different grid strategies that you can utilize. There is some open here. Some of them we will stop and take some profits. So as you can see, all of them are, not actually all of them because XRP is on 3x, but they are on 5x leverage. You can also adjust it to however you want, and then you have all of these grids. And basically what it does, it's simply, it buys when the price goes down, and then it sells when the price goes up. So these are all longs. So that's when it comes to futures. And there is liquidation price as well. So in order to not liquidate your position if the market is dumping very hard, all you have to do is to add extra margin, okay? So that's basically how you can, you know, you add the margin so it doesn't liquidate you, but it shows you the liquidation prices. And well, I don't know what would need to happen for it to dump that low, but you never know what happens with crypto. So first things first, guys, risk management always, okay? Never ever trade any money that you can't afford to lose, okay? If you won't be able to eat something because of your trade, if it doesn't go as you want, don't use this money, okay? So only risk capital when it comes to all of these guys, okay? I just want to say you that nothing is guaranteed, okay? And also past results don't guarantee future results. At the end of the day, this is crypto market that is very volatile. So you have your grids here. I would actually want to pull up the page where you can see them all, so it will be easier for you, but we will do that in a second. If you want to create your grid bot, you can create them on futures, and you can also create them on spot, okay? So let's say you want to create one on spot. You can just go ahead to spot, trading bot, create, and then it will either let you copy some other traders with which you can share some profits, and then they give you all the parameters. You can see how many grids there are, what are the price ranges. So this one is very long term, I would say, because it's 68,000 to 300,000. But yeah, as you can see, it's giving really nice profits to the users. And then there are some also AI strategies, as you can see, which you can also use if you want. Always you can check the parameters and see whether they suit you. So this one looks like something that I would go into, to be honest, and you choose how much USDT you want to go in with, okay? So let's say we want to do 2000, and then you create your bot, okay? It shows you what is your initial allocation, what are the ranges and all of that, and then you basically hit continue. All right, guys, but as I said, we are focusing on our future trades today. So if you go to orders, you can hit trading bot orders. That's where it shows you all the orders, how much you invested, what is your margin, what is your extra margin, and all of that. So in case your position goes really bad, which these are nowhere near going really bad because it's just 2%, you can always adjust your extra margin in order to make the liquidation price lower. So right now it's sitting at 66,000, let's say. You can add another 5,000, and then as you can see, the liquidation price will be 45,000 USDT. So it means that your trade won't be liquidated up to this mark, okay? After that, you lose this money within, I mean, including the additional margin. So this could be good if, you know, there is some dump happening and you are sure that it will pick back up, then you can just add some margin so it doesn't liquidate your trade. And yeah, that's very simple logic here. But yeah, if you want to take some profits, then you can also do it. You can either stop your bot, or then you can just release your profit, okay? So there are many options how to do it. So let's say you want to release your profits from this ADA to USDT futures grid bot. So you hit release profit, and then you choose how much you want to do. You hit OK, and it will release your profits directly into your account, right? Same with the margins, you can always adjust them. And also, whenever you want to adjust your grids or particular method of how it trades, you can also go to more. Then you can go edit your price range. So for example, I don't know, let's say we wanna go a bit more risky and hit it to 92,000 with the upper limit that we can leave like it is, and we want to reduce the grid amount to 100, let's say. Then you hit next step and you just readjust it, okay? So it also shows you what is your actual investment, how it will affect your investment and all of that, and then you can hit confirm and adjust it, and you are good to go. So this is how it looks like when it comes to the bot. And if you want to set up bought yourself, then as I said, you can do it as I showed you on the spot, or you can go to futures bot, and then again guys, you have multiple possibilities here. You can go to futures grid and either use AI strategy or copy someone. Also when it comes to your own strategies, because I forgot to say that, you can go right here and you can hit share, and then you can share it to your friends or your investors, and you can also take some profits. Okay, so you can share order to earn profit. You set up the parameters, so how much you want to earn, what is the profit sharing. So let's say it's from 0 to 30%, I don't know, whatever you want to put in. You just go ahead and do here. I will share some of my own strategies in the description of this video, guys. So if you want to utilize them, then they are in the description of this video and also on my Telegram channel, and I will have 5 to 10% on them. So if you want to use them and trade with me, then you can go ahead and do so. So that's how it looks like when it comes to that. And then if you want to create your own future strategy, you can go to customize, and then you can set your price ranges. So I'm not exactly a fan of doing optimism to USDT. You know, I'm the OG person. Let's do BTC to USDT, and let's say we want to long it, because we want to make it a long-term strategy, and we are hoping that the price of Bitcoin will go up. So lowest price that I would set here is about 85,000, I think, and the highest price I would set right here is around 132,000. That's what I'm thinking. With grid number, let's make this one a little bit more, you know, mid to long term, 200 grid. So our profit per grid is gonna be 0.13 to 0.23%, and it also shows you all the grids at which bot will be placing your orders, as you can see. So that's how it looks like. And then you choose your investment amount. As you can see, let's say you want to do 1,000. All right, it shows you what is your actual investment and what is the margin to keep the liquidation price as low as possible. And you can see the estimated liquidation price in this case is 44,000. Then you can also set up your take profit, your stop loss, your grid mode, which could be geometric or arithmetic, so it's up to you. And that's basically how you get started with it. So it's very simple. You also can set up your leverage. I mean, maybe avoid 100x because it's almost like gambling, but anything in between like 1 to 15x I would consider is, generally speaking, fair amount. However, make sure, guys, that you can cover the liquidation, because obviously the higher margin, the higher leverage you have, the more extra margin you will need in order to keep your position not liquidated. As you can see even here, okay? If I increase my leverage to, let's say, 25, liquidation price is just 78,000. And as I said, like 100x is just ridiculous, because it would need to drop just a little bit and I would be already liquidated. And look that the investment is only 87 bucks and the actual margin to cover it is 900. So, you know, as I said, risk capital, guys. Think about it before executing, okay, and then you can go ahead and trade with it. So as I said, I will be making more videos about Pionex and showing you my own personal results from my trades that I will be posting for you in the description of this video, as well as in up next video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss them. I also wanted to invite you to their Twitter and Telegram so you can stay up to date with all the things happening within Pionex, guys. So you have different strategies, as I said. Definitely strategy that is cool is long-term grid trading, which is 3 to 6 months, okay? So users can follow the strategy by clicking one of the links, and it's relatively safe and conservative. That's the one that I showed you, because it allows you to ride the market until the peak of a bull run. However, users will only follow the initial settings that are here. So if you want to adjust the price range or other parameters, you can do it as I showed you, right? You can also add your margin, etc. So be sure, guys, because that's something that also burned me once. I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? Once I was up over 600 USDT in a short period of time, and I didn't, you know, monitor the market and the position, and I lost it, okay? I could have took 600, compounded, you know, make more money, and I lost it. So always make sure to monitor your positions carefully, take your profits, okay? Then you can compound or add your margins. However you want to play it, just be sure that you monitor them, okay? And when it comes to beginners, for the margin settings, it's recommended to enable auto reserve, which is allowing the system to allocate funds automatically, right? So this is why it shows you the extra margin is 900. If you want to adjust it yourself, you can just unclick it and then put your actual investment, which is 500, for example, and your margin amount, which would also be 500. So in this case, if Bitcoin would go down to 94,000, you would be liquidated. So again, if you want to play it safe, you can use auto reserve or just have a lot of margin. And when it comes to your grid settings, man, obviously the lower and upper price range should be determined based on whether you are trading long term or medium to long term. Longer time frame is generally recommended, as the longer the duration, the higher the potential grid profits are. And when it comes to number of grids and profit per grid, you know, profit per grid after fees of 0.2 to 0.3% is recommended. A 0.4 grid interval is kinda too wide and might reduce trading frequency because the price might not fluctuate that much, okay? So this is not ideal for maximizing your trading volume. That's why you want to have those grids relatively close to each other. But again, if you are new to this, make sure to learn a little bit first, and then also if you want to copy my own trades, you can go ahead and check them out. Also guys, besides that, they have some cool features. They have the feature called Meme Guru, which is a one-click solution to buy on-chain meme coins, which is also pretty cool. So you can check that out if you want to. And you can buy meme coins on Solana, Base, Ethereum, BSC, Tron, Blastchain directly on Pionex. It supports grid trading for meme coins with a 1% trading fee and high commission rebates as well. So it's cool if you want to start trading meme coins. Then they also have Prop Trader, which is a unique proprietary trading feature on Pionex where users can join trading challenges to win up to 250,000 USDT in rewards. And yeah, that's something that they do as well. So you will have all the links down below in the description of this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section what are your experiences with grid trading, whether you've tried it or you will try it, and yeah, wait for the next videos because there will be a bunch and I hope that you will enjoy them. Yeah, I think that will be it. Comment, I will integrate with you in the comments as I always do, guys, and see you in the next videos coming out